I'm back with Hannah, and today we're going to do a video on stretching. We're going to focus on stretching for better flexibility. That is part of our fitness test, and that's something that gets overlooked. So Hannah's going to show you the correct positions for a few stretches. Each stretch you could hold between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. So once she gets in the correct position, I'll tell you a little bit about the stretch, and then we'll move on to the next one. The first one is the standing hamstring stretch. So you stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, your knees are slightly bent, and you reach down to your ankles and hold your legs. And this is the position you should be in for about 45 seconds to 2 minutes. It stretches out your neck, your back, your glutes, which are your butt, your hamstrings, and your calves. Okay? The next stretch is called the hip rotator stretch, and you're going to sit on the floor with both legs out. You're going to put one leg on the one side and put your elbow there and twist and hold that stretch. And then after you hold that, you're going to switch legs and sides and push against your knee with your arm and hold that stretch. This is stretching your hips, your back, and your glutes. Okay, the next stretch is the tricep stretch. You're going to stand or you can kneel or whatever, but you're going to bend your right elbow back and with your left arm pull back on your elbow straight down and hold it and feel that stretch. You gently pull on your elbow down towards your head. You are stretching out your neck, your shoulders, your back, and your triceps in this position. And then after she would hold it for the time frame, you would switch and then do the other arm. The next stretch is called the butterfly stretch, and you are going to sit down and you are going to sit tall with your soles of your feet together, and you're going to hold your ankles, hold your hands by your ankles, and then gently push your knees towards the floor and just hold that for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. This is stretching out your hips, your glutes, your back, and your thighs. And you're holding that again for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. You can stop the video and hold it for that long and then start it again when you're ready. The next one is your knee to chest. So you would lay on your back and you would pull your right knee in with pressing your lower back into the floor and holding that, and you should feel the stretch in your lower back, your hips, and your hamstrings. She would then switch legs after the 30-second to 2-minute hold and stretch. You always want to remember your breathing when you're stretching, because as you exhale, your body is able to relax and you're able to feel that stretch a little bit better. The next stretch Hannah's going to show us is the standing quad stretch. So she's going to stand up, she's going to pick up her right leg and pull her heel to her butt, and she's going to hold that stretch. You can use a wall if you need help balancing, but you want to squeeze your butt and stretch and hold that, and you should feel it in your quad, which is the front of your leg, and you want to hold that and repeat for the other side after you've done both. And then the last stretch is knees to chest. So she's going to lay back down on the ground. She's going to bring both of her legs into her chest, keeping your lower back flat on the floor, and hold it in and keep it there for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. This again is stretching your lower back and your glutes. Now you always want to remember stretching is important after a workout so that it helps your body to heal better, and it reduces risk of injury for the next time. So try these stretches and see how you do, and we'll see you next time.